हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू मोड मैनियाक्स। आई एम अक्षय एंड रिसेंटली गाइस, अगर आप हमारे वीडियोस को फॉलो कर रहे हैं, we've been on a quest, क्योंकि बाइक हमने रिसेंटली खरीदी थी, so we've been on a quest to maybe eliminate some of the issues जो हमारे को हमने एक्सपीरियंस किए इस बाइक के साथ. So the first thing was to decrease the weight of the bike, which has been done with the help of a 2x1 AEW exhaust. Now the thing was to improve the handling of the bike and improve the weak and inadequate suspension of the bike, I would like to say. तो उस quest के अंदर guys we have finally upgraded to YSS suspension, front and back. So this suspension guys is the YSS. Let me introduce you to the brand. Is a Thailand based brand. They are into really high quality stuff in terms of suspension, aftermarket suspension. They're really premium manufacturer in terms of providing aftermarket suspension solutions for many bikes, not just Royal Enfield, for many bikes. This particular solution is the top line YSS. इसके अंदर there are दो option आते हैं, एक regular option आता है and this is the top line, which has got adjustability for your compression, your rebound and also your preload, but also your height. So this the whole unit is height adjustable, which has been will come to that later. So the rear suspension has been changed and also the front suspension has been changed as well. So the front suspension again is adjustable for preload, compression and rebound. So complete हमारे को adjustability मिल गई है guys. जो regular spring था front के अंदर जो Royal Enfield was using, it was a progressive spring. This is a linear spring, which is, I believe, is more predictable in terms of handling. So guys, let me tell you the experience that I had with this bike with the suspension. जब हम especially जब mountain roads पे आते हैं guys, when you lean the bike over, the regular suspension, stock suspension was not enough. It was too soft, it was too unpredictable. So now what has happened is it's a different bike altogether. First thing is there's no brake dive in the front. Regular suspension के अंदर, regular bike के अंदर जब आप दबाते हैं ब्रेक, बहुत ज़्यादा dive था, बहुत ज़्यादा weight transfer हो जाता था बाइक का. So it used to unsettle the bike. There's very little brake dive now. The other thing is that's courtesy to the rear suspension is कि जो इसकी अब high speed stability है, that has increased a lot. Higher speeds जो होती हैं, now they feel like lower speeds because the bike is really planted, really stable at high speeds. Like 120 feels like 90 now because of the stability that the suspension has given it. The other thing is, अगर हम handling की बात करते हैं guys, in terms of mountain roads and when you lean the bike over, I all of a sudden feel कि मैंने इसके अंदर एक stickier set of tire लगा दिया है, because from the same tire this suspension is taking more grip out of the same tires. Because reason is guys, अगर हम suspension की बात करते हैं तो बहुत सारे लोगों को लगता है कि suspension हम ट्यून करते हैं या लगाते हैं बाइक को मोर ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबल करने के लिए, बट इट इज़ नॉट दैट. द रीज़न यू पुट बेटर सस्पेंशन इज दैट यू वांट द टायर टू बी इन कॉन्टैक्ट विद द बाइक, विद द रोड मोर ऑफ द टाइम, क्योंकि वो ग्रिप लूज ना करे, प्रॉपर उससे चिपका रहे. सो जो अब ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ये हुई है गाइस कि सेम टायर से मेरे को ज़्यादा ग्रिप मिल रही है. जो पहले स्लिपेज आती थी इसके अंदर, मेरे को वो नहीं मिल रही है. आई एम गेटिंग बेटर ट्रैक्शन आउट ऑफ कॉर्नर्स. जो एक थ्रॉटल देने पे एक पहले स्लिप कर जाती थी बाइक, वो अब नहीं है. आई एम गेटिंग मोर ग्रिप. सो ऑन ऑल अकाउंट्स I am getting more grip, I am getting more stability, I am getting less brake dive. So it's a completely, I've got no words for it. मैं सिंपल सी बात कहना चाहूँगा, it is a different bike now. It's not the same bike. अगर स्टॉक और अगर हम इसके अंदर बात करते हैं तो it's completely transformed the bike, completely transformed the feel of the bike. And the other thing that I was coming up with is the height adjustability. So अब हुआ ये है guys कि this is adjusted at a higher height now. So my seat height has gone up. Seat height मेरी ज़्यादा हो चुकी है, which is the angle of the bike, the weight transfer is that it is more inclined towards the front, which is putting more weight to the front. So अगर हम mountains की बात करते हैं, leaning की बात करते हैं, it is providing more grip, it is providing more feel. I'm sitting in a more slightly more committed riding position than before, क्योंकि बाइक पीछे से थोड़ी सी उठ चुकी है, which to me is a better thing, because I am 6'3", a taller seat height really is more comfortable for me. So guys, approximately if we talk about the cost right now, is front and back is gonna set you back approximately between 1,20,000 and 1,30,000 right now, depending on the place that you buy it. And the question, I mean, you will say that कि ये सब वर्थ है या नहीं है. Guys, to me, अगर आप प्लान कर रहे हैं इस बाइक को ज़्यादा देर के लिए रखने के लिए, if you really want to transform the experience that you have with the bike, I believe it's absolutely worth every penny. I don't know why Royal Enfield cannot provide us such a solution at a better price. Even if it is as an option, why cannot Royal Enfield give us an option like this at a reasonable price? Why do we have to spend that sort of money? But I believe it is worth every penny if you are planning to transform the handling of your bike. And of course, not only अभी हमने सिर्फ corners की बात करी है guys. If you tune it, because this is tunable, this is adjustable, you can make the bike more comfortable also. Now, right now it is set up a little stiff for my liking, but you can make it more comfortable for your regular riding. If you are just a city rider, or even if you are a tourer, if you like to take your GT or your Interceptor for touring, this suspension will help you again, because you can make the bike, your regular stock bike, more comfortable. So the options are endless guys. The adjustability is endless, depending on what you require from the bike. I highly recommend the suspension guys, and go check it out if you are really serious about your stuff and you really want to transform your bike. It's a worthwhile investment. So thanks for watching the video guys. Leave any questions that you have regarding the suspension in the comment section, and like and share the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.